another video with your girl Seemless. So today I will be doing a half up half down hairstyle. I'll be using my Molly braid that I used in one of my previous video where I did the Afro crochet hairstyle. So I'll be using the same here to do my half up half down. And guess what, I'm a bit excited because I perfectly imagined this hairstyle and know it is going to turn out beautiful. So if you are new, go ahead now and subscribe to my channel. Watch my previous video. Let me know your comment in the comment section. If you are a returning subscriber, you have been missing out a lot. I've done a previous video where I did a vlog for the first time, so you can go ahead and check out that vlog and let me know in the comment section what you think about it, or I should continue doing the vlog, or I must stick to my normal tutorials. So I'll be using this Molly braid. I'll be doing, as I said earlier, I'll be doing my half up half down hairstyle. Yeah, so you know your girl is a 4C babe, so you know I gotta get my edges done because you know that is edge control cannot hold these edges, so you know you gotta get it done. You gotta process it before. So I'll be processing the edges. As you can see, the process is already started, so I'm gonna get my edges relaxed, then I'll just go right into this video. Before I do so, I just want to say thank you guys for the support, but all my loyal subscribers, thank you for liking my videos every time I make a post. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. Okay, you know the comment helps, so thank you for being that loyal supporter of my channel. So it is the Molly Rasta braid, and to give you a little details about this braid, it is a 1B color. I intend to use this color because of my hair. You know, my hair is black and I just want it to blend in naturally. I just want it to have that natural afro look, because I'm falling in love with the afro. Yes, so I intended to get this color because of that purpose. So as you know, it's the Color brand. It is the Color brand that I'll be using. It is very soft, guys, as I told you before in the details. It is a very soft and light and cool airy hair, so you know it has less knots. It is not kinky as others do. It has a dreadlocks texture. So if you're looking for something that will blend with your 4C hair, if you have 4C hair like mine, this would be the best hair to get for that purpose. So let us get, it is 2 bundles. I forgot to tell you, it's 2 bundles. So what I'll be doing, I'll be using 1 pack, and I'll be cutting each bundle in 2 to give me that fluffy look that I'm looking for. If you want something that is more long and thin, you don't have to cut, but for me, since I want something more fluffy and short that will blend with my natural hair, I'll be cutting these strands in 2. So yes, so without further ado, let us get right into this video.
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much?
Guys, this is what it actually looks like, but I haven't detangled it as yet, so you're not gonna see the full blown of the beauty of this hair. Unfortunately, I am so sorry I did not get to film this part because the camera went out. My battery was dying, so I couldn't get to film this part. But what I actually did with the front section is to create two jumbo cornrows, and at the end of it you can see I had attached braid to, you know, extend the length. Yes, that's what I basically did with this hairstyle, but I haven't styled it as yet, so you won't see the full blown of this hair, but I will do that. I am going to get it all detangled because this moment it needs to be detangled for you to see the full blown of this beauty. And so yeah, so this is what it looks like so far. I am loving it. I am loving it. It's very fluffy, just as what I expected it to be. It's just that I need to detangle it, and I am not going to do so over camera. So what I'm going to do, just detangle it in the background and get back to you guys. So stay tuned, stay connected if you want to see the final results of this beauty. Alright, so guys, this is it. I did try my best. Look at it. Whoa, I am loving it. So I did my detangling, as you can see. Wow, it is so natural. I just love the texture. It is natural, it is fluffy, it blends so well with my 4C hair. So it is very fluffy. I love the density of it. It is just what I expected it to be, and I'm so happy that it came out just as how I expected it. Wow. Yay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give it some style. Give him some style. I'm just gonna go ahead now and give it some style. As I said, I want to have it up top. So give it a ponytail or something. But I'm loving it. Oh, and as I said earlier, guys, I'm so sorry that I didn't get to film this part of the tutorial because my camera went out, so I didn't get to do so. But I'm so sorry you did not see what I did. But what I actually did, as I explained earlier, is to just cornrow, just create two jumbo cornrows and attach braid at the end of my cornrow just to extend the length so that it can blend well with the afro. So I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving my hair. Ooh, I'm loving my hair. It is so natural. It's so natural. Ooh. And guess what? You're not seeing the chalk. That makes it so realistic. You're not seeing the chalk. The chalk is hidden. The chalk is hidden. The chalk is hidden. I feel like that those 90s baby. This is what it actually looks like. So just turning around. Yay. So I'm just gonna style it so that you can see what I can do with this thing. Right? Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Wow. Wow, wow. So, just gonna do this. Just style it. See that? Oh, here, if I style it. And also can do this. It's a lot of hair. It's a lot of hair. Yeah. Oh, it's a lot of hair. Oh, look at that. If I want, I can change. Okay. Bring it more high. So guys, this is the end of my video. If you like this hairstyle, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment. For my next video, I'll be doing something great. I have an idea. Whoa, I'm just loving this hairstyle. Yeah. Wow. I'm just loving this hairstyle. I'm just loving this hairstyle. I'm just loving this hairstyle. Oh my God. I'm sweating.